So, Niagara ID Security is a division of the Kudelski Group. We're a Swiss company with operations in Los Angeles, and we've been manufacturing display cards for over 5 years now. Initially, the display cards are used for a one-time password for web authentication. When you get onto your bank, you use your one-time password along with the password that you have memorized. So it's two-factor authentication, something you have and something you know. We have a card that has EMV chip, not so much used in North America, but it is used in Canada and Mexico and eventually in the United States. But in Europe it's used, and we provide the OTP, but it can also check your balance on your card as well. So if it's a debit card, you can check and see how much money you have left on the card. And we've been certified by MasterCard for the last year and a half. And so we can do a payment as well as authentication. Sure, one of our newer cards is we have this card that has a 12-button PIN pad. So you store the PIN on the card. In order to access the OTP, you type in the PIN number and then you get your OTP. So it's protected against if you lose the card. It can also be a challenge response where the bank would send a challenge to you. You type in the number, get the response and send it back to the bank. So it protects man-in-the-browser, man-in-the-middle attacks. Well, what we've been doing with this card is we've done a number of iterations of improvements. We've done, I think, 4 different iterations on the display and the button. We've now gone to a flexible LCD display, which uses lower power, and it's faster response rate, and it can also scroll information across the screen. And the button, we've designed the button so that it does not self-trigger inside your wallet, so that it doesn't wear out. We test these cards over 100,000 cycles, and we warranty them for 3 years. We're a card manufacturer in Switzerland. We have a patented low-temperature process for laminating these cards, which gives a wonderful surface so that you do not see any of the components inside. We have resellers. We do not sell directly to banks. We work with companies such as Gemalto, Active Identity, Oberthur, so we sell to other card manufacturers, and in the process they are industrializing the card, where we will sell inlays to them and they will finish the card. Certainly that's important in markets such as Brazil, where they have a high cost to import products. The inlay is actually a card that's almost finished. It just does not have the branding on it. It has all the components and it's a functional card. It's just not finished with the branding of the company that's on it. That's the final step in the process. Yes, as I said, we've been making this card for 5+ years, and we have rollouts with major banks in North America, in Europe, in Singapore. We've done about 1.5 million of these cards last year, and so it's a real product. It has a battery, it has a chip inside, it's fully UL listed, and it's been around, and it works.